schedule can be overwhelming. In this video, I'm going to share what to clean each day to stay ahead. It was hard for me to know what to clean when, and I really needed to know what I needed to clean each day so I could actually stay ahead of the cleaning. So I compiled a list of chores that needed to be done each day, and I put this into a daily cleaning checklist. You can download the free checklist. Now let's talk about that list. I like to group cleaning into rooms, and that's what I did with this checklist. I grouped them into common rooms: kitchen, bathroom, living room and or family room, entryway, and dining room. In the kitchen, each day the dishes need to be done, the counters and sink need to be wiped down and cleaned, the floors should be swept, and the garbage should be emptied. In the living room, family room, you want to pick up the clutter, wipe down tables, fold and put away blankets, fluff the pillows, and sweep or vacuum. In the dining room, you'll want to clear the table, keep up on the clutter, replace the tablecloth if you're using one, vacuum or sweep. The bathrooms, you want to pick up clutter, towels, dirty clothes, things like that. Wipe down counters, sinks, and the toilet seat. Sweep the floor and empty the garbage as needed. The entryway, you'll want to sweep or vacuum, remove the clutter, straighten up shoes and coats if there's room for them. And if you have a landing table, you'll want to wipe that down. So as you can see, there really isn't a lot that needs to be done each day to keep up on the mess. And keep in mind, when I say remove clutter, I don't mean to completely declutter the room at that time. If there's small stacks of papers or small areas that you can maintain, this would be a perfect opportunity to do this. However, this daily pickup should only take you a short amount of time. If you want to stay ahead of the cleaning, go ahead and download the free daily cleaning checklist. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in another video.